Then I'm going to come one cushion for this black. Now I'm going to come again one cushion for this red, one cushion for this red, again black. So again I'm going to play this red, a little screw back till here, so I can get, black also easily in an angle, and also I can get pink also in this pocket. But obviously I have a plan to play black only, so I'm going to come here right here. Now I'm going to simply screw back one cushion for this reds in that pocket, middle pocket. It's a bit hard I played, guys, but anyhow I managed it. I've got this red in this pocket. This is also there in this pocket. So sometimes it happens. We don't want to play so hard, but it happens, it comes up like that. Now, in these questions, what we are feeling to do is that it is actually an easy shot. If I can play, that will be the easiest one. I just need to follow and go for black. That's it, guys. So comfortably I've got black, no problem with that. I've got blue as well. So depends upon me which one I want to choose. So obviously I'm going to play black, and I'm going to come one cushion like this. So if I'm getting this two red in this pocket, very good. If I'm not getting some of it, I will come a little more, no problem getting this three red in this pocket. So the target is to come in this position. Guys, this time, see, I can play this also, no problem with that. I play with this, but again, I prefer playing easy shots. So this is again, I need to manage again playing in the top pocket and a little bit of stunt shot so that it comes nearby here and I get, pink in this pocket very easily. So guys, as I've played that shot now, I'm going to play pink, plain pink, and I'm going to come nearby here so I can get this red in that pocket. Or I want to play now these three reds in this pocket. This is also a good shot because I should clear 1, 2, any red so that this three red again gets clear in that pocket. So as I told you, so I've got this red. Again I can come down for pink over here. Now again I need to check like if I can clear this student also, this is much more better, so they can come again in the top table and finish all this way. So I'm going to play this red and keep little bit my cue ball in angle, so I can come up by playing blue again in the top table side. Comfortably I keep little bit of angle. Now again my target is to come nearby here. I can get this reds in this pocket or that red in this pocket, but the target is to come nearby because I know I'm going to get plenty of options. So I'll play blue. As I said, this red is also in this pocket, that red is also there in this pocket. So this is how you do strategize game. Then obviously you can clear the reds very easily, guys. So I want to clear this red now because this is a little bit on this side. Nearby it's going towards cushion side. So obviously I want to clear this red now because I've got a good opportunity to play this red. Little bit of scoop, and I'm going to keep nearby here so that I can get this pocket. If I want, I can come for blue also, but I won't take the risk. I'm going to play a little bit of screw shot so that I can come nearby here and go for pink. Or I can come one cushion also. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can do that. If you want to come one cushion, you can come one cushion. Now I'll show you, I can also come for one cushion if I want to go for one cushion. So I will try and show you definitely one cushion how you can play. So this is how you can go for one cushion. Now the same thing, I'm going to screw, come nearby here. For this red, I can come if I want. I can screw, I can come nearby here. I can play this red in that pocket also. So a lot of plenty of options you have. Now you can choose what you want to do exactly. But the target is to come nearby in this portion. Keep my cue ball in nearby this portion so that plenty of options I can get. See how comfortably again I played and the same shot. Now this time I'm going to play this and keep my cue ball here a little bit in angle so I can come for this reds again, and if I want I can go for those reds again. If it's coming nearby this also, no problem, I can again play pink and go for those reds also. So you have got option right now, so you don't have to worry. So guys, as I told you, little bit in angle I have kept it so that again I can go for this race. But this time, I really want to complete this red if I'm getting a good opportunity, and then come back for this race. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to screw back this one and come nearby, try to come nearby here. Yes, so that I can play blue and then I can go for this race. So a little bit in angle I have kept it so I can easily comfortably go for this side also, doesn't matter. But the target is mine to come nearby here, so I can get this red also in this pocket or this red also in this pocket. But target is to complete this red also. So I can go for that red as well. My target is to go for that red. So So guys, as I told you, for these two reds, so I've come comfortably. Now I'm going to play plain follow for black, but I need to make sure that I have to keep my cue ball nearby here. Otherwise, I won't get get black. But surely I'll get pink also, even if I don't get that one, because as I've always told you that if you can keep your cue ball in this side or this side, that means both the ball is on, until the pocket is obstructed by some other ball. Now guys, what I need to see is that what I need to do. See, now you have got two good options. Either you can cannon this way on that side half ball so that it stays there and you get this red in this option. But there is a possibility this red will get canned with this, and both the red can get damage, means you won't get position in any other pocket. There's a possibility. So again, one more thing you have, you can play a simple follow, you can come nearby here for this red, and then again you can go for other balls. Or else you have other options, you can play one cushion, little bit of right hand side, you can come here also, you can play this red as well. So the target is to come nearby here, so that I can get this red in this pocket and I can come for black or pink. Or even if it is coming little more, no problem, I am going to get this two red in this pocket also. So the target is to travel like this, nearby here. As I told you guys, I have traveled in that way only. So you can see, it's pretty easy if you want to know how you have to play the game. I'm going to play simple. I can pull back also for pink. Obviously, I'm not going to get black in this way because it's more or less straight. So I'm going to play simple follow for black. Or else if I'm not getting, I'm getting pink as well. Comfortably I played this ball, guys. Now this time I can do one thing, is that I can come for this red again in that same zone for this red in red pocket. Or again I can cannon with this red as well. But I don't want to cannon again because I don't want to take the risk of destroying that red ball. So this time little bit of stun follow up to play so that I can come here. My target is to come for this way. So I come for here like this. Yeah, right. So what I'm going to do is that, guys, I'm going to play this red. Little bit of, kind of stop shot I'll play. 1 inch, and I'm going to make a pullback so that I can get pink in this pocket. As I told you, 1 inch. So guys, this is what you need to learn control. This is not, I cannot teach you. This is you to play, practice, and if your basic is good, then only you can do all the shots. Sometimes it is required. So again, I'm going to play, keep nearby here, so that I can play this red, and again I can go for pink or black according to the situation. The target is to keep nearby here. Again, I'll do one thing. I'll just pull a little bit here. Yes, I'll not pull. I'll just stun. I'll just play a stun shot so that it travel a little bit like this and I'll get pink. But this time now target is to come little in angle so that I can play pink and I can go for those two moves. So little bit of angle I have created, guys, so that I can come for these reds. Now my target is to come nearby here so that I can get that also, that also. I'll play according to my situation, according to my convenience. So depends on you which one you want to play and clear first. That's completely depend on you. We can also come for pink like this. We can travel like this, a start screw and come nearby here. But I don't want to take the risk because if I come short fall, then I'm sure that I have to travel again like here, so which will be difficult. I'll play this one and I'll come nearby here again. Same thing for black or for pink. I'm going to play, I can play both the shots. I can play scoop back and come nearby here. For both the balls, this ball also, this pocket, that ball also, this pocket. Or I can simply play, stun follow, one push and I can come. Again, I can travel like this also, like this to this place. So it depends on you, which one you're comfortable with. I'm going to play screw back and try and come nearby here. Because it's not that easy to play this shot. But you have to again, play a good shot, damn good shot here. So guys, as I told you, both the balls are there. This ball is also there. That ball is also there. Now you need to see like which one you would take risk. See, playing this ball is also a very good shot because this getting position for this red is a bit difficult. Sometimes as you have got this time, so you can play this one, you can take that risk, but again there is a chance of missing because not that easy. But again, you can play this red also in this pocket, complete black or pink, and accordingly you can come for that red. So which one you want to go for, it depends on you. Right now, what I am planning is to go for this red. I'll play simple stun, one cushion if we come for black. That's it, that is what my target is. I can play simple screw as well, but I won't play that. I won't play one cushion black. This is what my target right now to go for. Very comfortably guys are played. So the angle is not that great, but again I'll play that only. I'll try and come nearby here so I can get this red. As this is the last ball, guys, so you need to really focus too much on it. Most important thing, you have to focus and you cannot afford to miss. So guys, what I'm going to play is that I'm going to play this black in that pocket. I'm going to come nearby here so that I can again go for this red, and I'll make black or pink, whichever I'm comfortable of. But so you have to focus really too good because this is the last red ball. Jerry. I'm going to do the same thing, one cushion. I'm going to come for black, but this time I really want to come in this angle, not in this angle, this angle. This angle is also okay. I can want to cushion, I can go for blue, yellow, but I want to come for this angle so that it is more easier to go from that cushion and easily come here. So target is to come nearby here, but if you're not getting it, no problem. I've got an option of pink as well, so you don't need to too much worry about that, and they never worry so much when you are playing. No problem if you have not got. What I have to do is that I have to go one cushion, two cushion like this. I can come for yellow. This is what I need to do right now. A bit long shot. The shot isn't that great, I would say, guys, but nevertheless, you have got option. Now I'll remove my camera and I'll show you how I'm going to play this, yellow. So this is the position right now, guys. This is the position. So I'm going to play a simple follow and come for, green, one cushion. But this simple follow, what will happen? It will travel like this nearby to cushion, so which I don't want. So for that, I'm going to play a little stun follow. So directly like this, and it travels directly like this. Anyway guys, I missed it, but I hope you have seen how I've cleared all the 15 dates, and this is what I generally want to teach you, that this is how you play and you clear all the reds. The most important target for a player is to clear all 15 dates, because if you're clearing that, then that means you have won the frame. And this way, if you can clear in most of the matches at least 10 reds, 12 reds, 15 dates out of 15 days, then definitely guys, I'm sure the frame is in your favor mostly, unless you're potting all the reds with yellow or green or something like that. If you're potting it 12 reds with blue also, then also you are making 60, and your opponent is left with only 43 points, sorry, 51 points. So again, you're making your opponent out of the game. So this is what I want to generally say. With all the 10-12 reds, if you can take pink, black, more than enough to make your opponent out of the frame. Or if it is with blue also, you are mostly going to win the frame. So this is how you need to play, guys, and this is how you need to actually improve your game. I hope you will be commenting in the comment box with your highest break, and the chances are only 3, guys. As I've done this in one chance, but I would also always tell you, like, at least 3 chances. 3 chances. At least give yourself 3 chances, and out of that, what will be your highest break? If it's 48, 55, 100, 140, 130, doesn't matter. Please comment in the comment box so that I can connect with you and I can communicate with you, and we can again learn together, and we can again enjoy this game for forever. Thank you guys for watching this video.